What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So right now I am in Minnesota. I landed last night and it was -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The first time ever I have been in a city and it's in the minus. It was cold, but it wasn't too bad. But aside from that, for those of you who are new to this channel, thank you for watching this video of mine. This video captures all of my adventures in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel below by clicking that subscribe button. And I hope you guys enjoy this video coming up right now. Hi, welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, guys. I am at the Christ Redeemer statue, which is one of the 7 wonders of the world. And at the time I went, it was about their summertime, so I went in November 2016, and I just got really lucky. It's a beautiful day. I'm at the Christ Redeemer statue where you just get a really good view of the city of Rio de Janeiro. So how did I get to the Christ Redeemer statue? So first of all, Uber is super easy to use, pretty safe, and super cheap to get around Rio de Janeiro, to get around Brazil in general. So I stay in Ipanema, and so what I did was I took an Uber from Ipanema to Copacabana, and from Copacabana I used a shuttle company called Bananas Corcovado, and the pickup spot in Copacabana Beach was it was called Praça do Lido. Praça do Lido. And the shuttle company that took me up to the Christ Redeemer statue and back down, price average is about $16 to $20. I think I paid about $21 when I went in November 2016. But man, once you're up there, you just get a breathtaking view of Rio de Janeiro, like I just said in the video. So honestly, when you're in Rio de Janeiro, you can't help but go visit the Christ Redeemer statue. So that's how I got up there. And after the Christ Redeemer statue, I went to Ipanema Beach. Welcome to Ipanema Beach, a popular beach located in the south zone of Rio de Janeiro. Usually there's a lot of people here, but I guess I scared everyone away today. After Ipanema Beach, I decided to walk to Pedra do Arpoador, also known as the rock or the stone of the harpoon thrower, which is located in between Ipanema Beach and Copacabana Beach. Welcome to Irmaos mountain, or in English it's called Two Brothers Mountain, located right behind Ipanema. So you just get, once you hike up all the way to the top, you get a beautiful view of Ipanema Beach on a really good day, as you're seeing right now. Hey. But in order to get to this mountain, you need to walk through the favelas. And the favelas is basically the Brazilian projects, and you just gotta be really careful. So I would recommend bring a friend or go in a group if you want to hike up this mountain. But man, once you get to the top, you get a breathtaking view of the city. Hey guys, right behind me is the Escadaria Celarón, designed by Jorge Celarón. It's about 215 steps, and other than these steps, there's really not much to do, not much to see around this area. So my recommendation would just to take your photos for Instagram and Facebook and hop back in the Uber and continue on your journey